Hello everybody, ഞാൻ വത്സല കലാധരൻ. Today I am going to discuss some important questions from the first chapter, Animal Kingdom. So the first question is, metameric segmentation is the characteristic of. Metameric segmentation meaning, in some animals, the body is externally and internally divided into segments or metameres with a serial repetition of some organs. That is known as metamerism. So the options given are 1. Platyhelminthes and Arthropoda, 2. Echinodermata and Annelida, 3. Annelida and Arthropoda, 4. Mollusca and Chordata. Answer 3. Annelida and Arthropoda. Next question. Find out the incorrect statement related to phylum Porifera. 1. Members of this phylum are commonly known as sponges. That is correct. 2. They are generally marine and mostly asymmetrical animals. That is also correct. 3. These are primitive multicellular animals and have tissue level of organization. We have studied poriferans will be having cell aggregate level of organization. So third option is incorrect. Then fourth one, sponges have a water transport or canal system. That is also correct. So answer is 3. Then next question. Venus flower basket is 1. Leucosolania, 2. Euplectella, 3. Euspongia, 4. Cycon. Answer 2. Euplectella. Next, metagenesis is found in. Metagenesis meaning alternation of generation. That means polyp produces medusa asexually and medusa produces polyp sexually. That is known as metagenesis. Options given are Physalia, 2. Hydra, 3. Obelia, and 4. Both 1 and 3. So metagenesis found in Physalia and Obelia. Answer 4th option. Hydra, that is an example for polyp. Then, how many ciliated comb plates are found in ctenophorans? 1. 4, 2. 6, 3. 8, 4. 10. Answer third option 8. Next question. Animals possessing pseudocoelom are. Pseudocoelom meaning the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm, but mesoderm is scattered as pouches. So options given are flatworms, 2. roundworms, 3. annelids, 4. mollusks. Answer second option roundworms. Next question. All of the following arthropods act as vectors except 1. Anopheles, 2. Culex, 3. Aedes, 4. Locusta. Here Anopheles, Culex and Aedes, these are mosquitoes and also they are vectors. Then fourth one, Locusta, that is a gregarious pest. So answer is 4. Then next question. Which of the following is represented by largest number of species? We have studied largest phylum is Arthropoda. Here largest number of species. Options are 1. Insecta, 2. Protozoa, 3. Mammalia, 4. Aves. Answer 1. Insecta. Then, in mollusks, mouth contains a file-like rasping organ for feeding called 1. Macula, 2. crista, 3. radula, 4. cupula. Answer radula. Macula, crista and cupula, that is found in the ear. Then, find out the incorrect match. Chaetopleura, chiton, that is correct. Octopus, devilfish, that is also correct. Aplysia, pearl oyster. Aplysia is sea hare. Pearl oyster is pinctada. So, incorrect match is third option. Then, loligo squid, that is also correct. Next question. In which of the following groups of animals larvae are bilaterally symmetrical and the adults are radially symmetrical? Options 1. Mollusks, 2. Cnidarians, 3. Echinoderms, 4. Platyhelminthes. Answer 3. Echinoderms. Next question. Scales in cartilaginous fishes are 1. Cycloid, 2. Ctenoid, 3. Leptoid, 4. Placoid. Cartilaginous fishes, that is chondrichthyes, they have placoid scales. So answer is 4. In osteichthyes, bony fishes, we can see cycloid or ctenoid scales. So here answer placoid scales in cartilaginous fishes. Next one. Gambusia is a pest on fishes, pathogenic fish, parasitic fish. 4. Predator of mosquito larvae. Gambusia, that is mosquito fish. So answer is fourth option. Predator of mosquito larvae. Next question. In which fish male shows parental care and has a brood pouch? Answer Anabas. 2. Labio. 3. Hippocampus. 4. Trigon. Answer 3. Hippocampus. That is a seahorse. Male hippocampus will be taking care. That means, or you can say parental care. It will be showing parental care. And they will be having brood pouch. Then Ichthyophis is an 1. Amphibian, 2. Reptile, 3. Bird, 4. Fish. Answer amphibian. Ichthyophis, that is a limbless amphibian. So answer is 1. Next one. Find the incorrect match. Testudo, tortoise, correct. Crocodilus, crocodile, correct. Naja, cobra, that is also correct. Then Calotis, tree lizard, that is incorrect. Calotis is garden lizard. Then tree lizard is chameleon. Then next question. The bones of the birds are called pneumatic bones because 1. They are fully ossified. 2. Maximum bones are fused together. 3. Have air cavities. Pneumatic meaning air cavities. So answer will be third option. 4. Have bone marrow in the cavity. So here answer 3. Next question. Additional chambers which are known as crop and gizzard in birds are part of 1. Digestive tract, 2. Respiratory tract, 3. Reproductive tract, 4. All of these. Answer digestive tract. 2 additional chambers known as crop and gizzard present in the digestive tract. Crop for storing the food and gizzard for grinding the food. So answer 1. Next question. In which of the following animal air sacs are connected to lungs to supplement respiration? 1. Corvus, 2. Alligator, 3. Macaca, 4. Salamandra. Corvus, that is a crow. So answer will be 1. Crow. The macaca meaning monkey. Salamandra, that is a tailed amphibian. So here air sacs connected to lungs to supplement respiration. Answer 1. Corvus. Next question. Feathers of birds are waterproof due to the oily secretion of 1. Cutaneous gland, 2. Preen gland, 3. Sudorific gland, 4. None of these. Answer preen gland. Oil gland or preen gland or uropygeal gland present at the base of the tail. That is found in birds. So answer second option, preen gland. Sudorific meaning sweat gland. Then next question. The most unique mammalian characteristic is 1. Presence of hair, 2. Mammary glands, 3. Presence of placenta, 4. Having external ear. Answer mammary glands or milk producing glands which will be nourishing the young ones. So answer 2. Then external ear or pinnae are present in Pteropus, Bufo, Corvus, Pangarus. Pteropus, that is a flying fox coming under Mammalia. Bufo, toad, amphibia. Corvus, crow, that is aves. Bangarus, crate, that is a poisonous snake coming under reptilia. So here answer Pteropus. Next question. An oviparous mammal is 1. Ichthys, 2. Panthera, 3. Elephas, 4. Ornithorhynchus. Answer 4. Ornithorhynchus. Egg-laying mammal, that is a platypus. Next question. Which of the following groups of Animals are homeothermal, have a single occipital condyle, 12 pairs of cranial nerves, pneumatic bones and 4 chambered heart. 1. Amphibia, 2. Aves, 3. Reptilia, 4. Mammalia. Answer 2. Aves. Amphibia and mammals will be having dicondylic skull, that means 2 occipital condyle. Then fishes and amphibia will be having 10 pairs of cranial nerves. Then reptilia, aves and mammals will be having 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Whereas fishes, reptiles, birds will be having monocondylic skull or single occipital condyle. So here answer is second option is. So these are the important questions coming under first chapter Animal Kingdom. So if you like this class, kindly share with +1, +2 and repeater medical students. Okay, thank you very much.